Hello everyone, Sam here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this video Thursday morning at 3 a.m. So all the trades taken Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's get started. These are a couple of trades closed on Sunday. The entries were on last Friday. So this is one of them. Pound yen 20-minute entry was on Friday and close on 24th Monday. So here pound USD sell on Friday, right, and then close on 22nd. It's a short here, and this one here also euro CAD 7-minute sell on last Friday and on the 24th. Then comes next day Monday, pound really got strong. Market open up and then pound start getting strong, and here we have pound Aussie 7-minute, right, and that's what happened. 80 pip to the top, and 25th pound Nuzi on the 25th, again the same kind of setup, and buy entry here all the way to the upside. And here pound CAD 7-minute, you can see that the entry here, and it went all the way again to the upside. It's just the beginning, you'll see more. And then you can see on the 26th I have only one pound Nuzi. News came out and Nuzi started getting strong, so it went down here, right? And on the 26th, this is the only one I have. On the 27th, look what happened. 27th again, pound really got strong again, and here's the pound Aussie 7-minute chart, beautiful all the way to the upside, and along the way, so you look how many entries it was given, right? And then pound USD, it's on a 7-minute chart here, nice and clean, 70 pip to the upside. It was a beautiful entry, this one, and there was a beautiful by the book entry along the way here. That could be a second trade. And then USD yen was getting weaker, so it went up. Buy entry here as it moved to break even plus. And this is euro yen, did the same thing. This all these lines, as I said, a pivot point got, that indicator got messed up a little bit. So on the 27 euro yen 7-minute, not a big move, but something, right? 50 pip, and buy entry here, and then SL move to break even. Everything is by the setup, exact setup, right? Nothing out of the blue. And then pound yen again, look at that, 100 pip, beautiful up move all the way. And here you can see this pound CAD on the 27th, and this is what happened here, and then it went up all the way, right? So these are the trades because of all the pound pairs, because of the couple of good news came out, and pound got strong a lot. And then pound index, I made the chart. Let me show it to you. This is the pound index. This is what it did. I was expecting that it will go and hit 64.99, and that's where it is at now. And I just made this chart, making a nice beautiful butterfly by the book pattern here at 64.99. So it might be coming down from here. It may come down because this is the 127 level, the small butterfly. If we pop up to the upside, then it will go to 65.68. Then from there it will definitely drop, and then everything will upside down again. Pound is going to start getting weaker, and then all pound pair will dive. So this is how it is. And making some more 40-minute, 33-minute chart, weekly chart. Yen index is also ready to drop, means yen probably going to get strong soon, and sending all the yen pairs to the downside, and I'll be ready for that. So I have a few of these charts ready, and I'm going to send out to my subscribers. And if you're interested what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to trade like that, just go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful trading rest of the week.